Uh-oh. What's good, y'all? Getting up and running. What's up? What's up? This joker up and running. Let's get it up and running. Let me see what we got going on. See what we got going on here. Look at Zombie. Zombie, I ain't late. It's 7:02. I ain't late, Zombie. What's up, Truth? What's good, DVD King? What's good, Lenore 4223? What's good? Dark Star in the building. Zombie talking about I'm late. What's up, Zom? What's up, Lobo 101? Brandon M. What's good? Thomas C in the building. What's good, Urban Kings? Food Stamps. Derek Johnson in the building. What's up, Derek? Dark Star in the building. Let's get it up. I got 21 in so far. Y'all hit that thumbs up as y'all coming in. So what's up, Luke Ella? How you do? Brad Bowl, what's good? I got the Skull playlist, aka Gary in the building. What's up, Gary? I got Bob in the building. What's good, Bob? Bob says hello to all and good evening. The man, Mr. Bo knows. What's good, Bobbity Bob? Bob. I got Ruth S in the building. Ruth S says, what's up, Bo? Can you recommend a build that goes straight to newer movies without having to go through the sources? A Kodi build? If LJ comes on, Ruth S, I will ask him. As far as that goes straight to the source, I think most of them, Ruth, majority of them go straight, not straight, but most of them go through links. If I'm familiar with that, I believe most of them you got to click a link though. But I will make sure that I get an answer for you tonight. I will promise I'll get an answer for you as far as a build goes. That'll go straight to the links without you. Actually, some of them, you know what? I think I might have a solution. You might have to go in and change it to where it goes. You might have to go in and change it to where you get it straight away. Root S. You can change it in the settings though, to where you can have the link go straight to it. I know we did it a while back. I'm gonna make sure it's still the same way, Root. I'll find out when some of the guys get in. I will make sure. What's good, GoPro Donnie? Whose balls are itching? What? GoPro Donnie, I don't know what you talking about. What's good, hippie girl? Gail Lewis in the building. Andre Williams, what's good? Soul Bro Harmony, what's good? So Billy Wiggins, as I say, Miss Billy in the building. Miss Billy says, how are you tonight? As you can see, I got a smile on my face, so your boy is good. Simply Deep 1985, what's good with you? Ruth S says, there was one with the Supreme Bills, but it disappeared. Okay, yeah, I think it was the Storm that did it, Ruth S. It was another one in Supreme Bills too. That's why I had to think, because I know some guy got at me 2 days ago, and he was like, "Why you do a review on this build and it's not in the lineup no more?" So, and I had to let him know it was an old. You know, I let him know that when I did it, it wasn't old. So, or you know, when I did it, it was back then. So, again, I will see if there's another one though. Again, Ruth S. I will ask LJ when he comes in. GoPro Donnie says, you said it. I said what? I didn't say my balls is. did not say that. Hippie Girl says, I need a recommendation for Android box around $60 on Amazon. I was looking at the A95X Pro and I looked at the mini box. Any good suggestions, please? It's for my mom. I actually have a box. Hold on, I'm gonna get it right there so you can see it. I just got a box too. Hippie Girl, I just got a box. And it's the sister box of the M9X Pro. So let me get it real quick so I can show it to you. All right, I'm back. My bad, y'all. Let me get it out for you so you can see it. But it's the MX Pro Plus. Hippie Girl. It's the MX. It's the MX Pro. And you got 4K at the bottom. It's $47 on Amazon. So I actually like it. It's a real good box. So I didn't program 2 or 3 of them already. So real good box. Real good box. You guys got me answering questions, got me asking stuff already. What's good, T-Mac? What's good? Let me make sure. Tony, what's good? Let me make sure I ain't missing nobody. Also, you guys know before I start the show big, I like to say who my sponsor is, which is The Real. At the bottom of the description of this video, The Real. She got the I Need That shirt for your boy. So I'm loving my shirt. I'm loving my cup. So, of course, behind me, you see my hats. I Need That. So if you guys are looking for a hat, a shirt, a cup, get at The Real. Again, the bottom of the description of this video, it'll be The Real Tees. Okay, cool, thanks. I will look at that. I really appreciate it. You welcome, Hippie Girl. I actually like it. It runs smooth. It's a 7.1, but you still will be able to put Nova Launcher on there. I put Nova Launcher on mine. You just can't do a live Nova Launcher, so you just can't do a live. The X90, that X96 Pro, also that Lobo 101 said that's actually a good box as well. But like I said, Dale told me about this one. I've been using it and I've been liking it so far. I did send the link to the team. Let me get Troop in here real quick. Want to make sure. Hold on. Let me get Troop in here so that way he have a link to be in. The team probably be in a minute. So or they probably be up. I know they was doing something else a while ago. So they will be here hopefully pretty soon. I just got back, as you guys know, from vacation. So me being back from vacation, I didn't put nobody in position to interview them. But I interviewed my brother yesterday. So with me interviewing my brother yesterday, if you guys didn't see that video and you guys want to laugh, check him out. I'm going to do a playlist for it. I'm going to call it The Interview Room. I'm making something a little bit different. So I'm going to start interviewing people outside. What's up, Troop? I'm going to start interviewing people outside of Kodi on Tuesdays. And then on Wednesdays, I'm going to try to keep it for people that are the streaming world. So that way you guys will know and then you guys will see who I have and whatnot. Lobo 101 says, check Mr. On Demand. Latest video, great boxes on sale. So that's another resource you guys can go look at. Thanks for the information, Lobo. I want to make sure. Andre Williams says, I was looking today and seeing that iTrusStream put you on blast with that 49. I haven't seen it, but she gonna make me go check it out. So what you mean by he put me on blast with the 49ers jersey? What he put that he got a jersey or something on there? I mean, what I can go get a jersey. I can go get a whole bunch of jerseys. I'm trying to figure out what did he say? What did he say, Andre Williams? What did he say? What's good, Stanley Powell? What's good with you? Derek Johnson says yesterday was a pretty good show. Thanks, Derek Johnson. Like I said, it was my first time interviewing somebody that wasn't Kodi. So, and again, if you guys trying to laugh, you guys trying to get something to tickle your funny bone, go check it out. My Dale actually called me yesterday, or he was in the middle of stuff. He was like, oh, he watched it, and he said my brother made him laugh. So that was a good one. The one that says, I just downloaded your ABK Bob movie. Just had a hard time figuring out how to get to the movies. Still working on it. Couldn't find any movie showing how to use it. When you go into it, Luella, when you open it up, right when you open it up, Luella, you're gonna click the movie. When you click it, you're gonna see the movie on top. You're gonna see the description of the movie. Scroll down. Once you scroll down, Luella, you will see right where it says Bobby Movies in the middle. You click that, the movie will play. I don't hold on. I don't think I'll be able to show you guys though from my phone. I don't think I'll be able to show you, Luella, from my phone. Let me check and see. I might be able to. I know the lighting is kind of weird. Who's that? What's good, DVD? Let me see. Can y'all see that?
Everything.
Can you see that? Hold on.
I got him.
All right. Can you see that, True?
Yeah, I can see it.
All right. So if you click on it there, if you scroll down, right there is where you see the movie at. So the movie's going to be right there. It's going to say Bob Movies right there. You're going to click it. Once you click it, it will show the movie. So me, I'm going to take it away, though, once the movie pop on because I don't want no copyright strike. So see how it comes on? So it came on like there. So that's how you watch. That's how you get to watch the movie, Luella. So if you need me to show you again, Luella, I will show you again. I tried that and it would not click. It just did it. I just showed you on my phone. Try it. It says I clicked and nothing. That's weird. I don't know. What movie would you trying to click, Luella? Tony M says, hey Bo, what happened to who? What happened to D's Bryant? Where he at now? Well, who? Oh, where's Dez Bryant at? Is that what you was asking me, Tony? I know he did a workout for the Cleveland Browns, but I don't know if he's going to the Cleveland Browns. Brian M says Bo is going to have a beard like Denzel does in the beginning of I don't know. I would think about cutting it off, y'all. I mean, you know me, I go back and forth, so I'll probably end up cutting this joke off. Luella, let me look and see if I see Rampage on here. Or let me search Rampage real quick. See if I can get it to come on, Luella. See if it's the movie or not. Okay, let me see. I got Rampage. Okay, I got Rampage. I'm gonna see if it comes on. So that's Rampage. I'm gonna go down. So you'll see that it's still. Can you see it, True?
Yeah, I see it.
All right, so
bring it a little bit back, a little bit, so it'll start blurring. Yeah, there you go, right there.
Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working for me, Luella. It came on.
Is she on a Fire Stick?
I don't know. What device are you using, Luella? What device?
Because it doesn't work on a Fire Stick.
So let me know what's good, Blamo. Oh, she on the Shield. I didn't try it on my Shield. I didn't try it on my Shield. I did the review today on this M9X Pro. So, but Luella, what I will do is I will put it on my Shield and see if I can get it to work and see what happens. But you should be able to get it to work even if you use the browser. Try the browser, Luella. try Bobby Movies online. So try Bobby Movies dot online and see if that works. Let me see. What's good, Kodi, man? What's good with you? What's good, Pat? Grant, how you doing? Dave James in the building. What's good with you, Dave James? Mr. Blamo says, try placenta or CBS Neptune Rising on Kodi. Grab the whole repo you set. That's true, too. If you can't get it, you got other places you can get Rampage at if you're just trying to watch Rampage. So if that's what you're trying to do, then you'll know if you're just trying to watch Rampage.
That legendary add-on is tight. That legendary has it too. That legendary add-on is fire.
Andre Williams is talking about the Cowboys and the preseason game that the 49ers put the whooping on them boys and said that's how their game is going to be all year. Laugh a lot. Okay, I didn't watch the game, but for me watching the game, the Cowboys was leading the whole game. They ended up losing at the end. They lost by 3 points. Like, really? I mean, a loss is a loss, but don't say y'all smashed us when they didn't really. I mean, we just win the whole game. And then it's preseason. Like, really? So, y'all see my gift I got today? So y'all how much people love me? Y'all see my gift?
So all y'all people out there, do not use that legendary add-on.
Why? What's wrong with legendary?
Go look at the
end user doesn't care about all that. They just want an add-on that works. The add-on works. It works. Use legendary.
Okay. Wait a minute. Back up. What's wrong with the
Hey, bro, go look at UK Kodi's YouTube and you decide from there, because obviously some people on this panel don't give a.
I'll check it out. Y'all. I'll go look at it. And then when I look at it, I'll let you guys know if it's a yay or nay. So I'll look at it. DVD says to go. Troop said it's not a go. I'll check it out, and I'll let you guys know if it's a go or if it's not a go. I haven't seen it, but I will check it out. What's up?
Well, like I said, hey, all the end user cares about if the add-on works. That's what they care about. If they click on it and it links play, that's what they care about.
Okay. All right. I get a. I'm looking at the chat and I'm getting back and forth as far as it's good is not good. But again, I'll figure it out. Lobo says, Bo, I'll hit you up on Messenger later if that's okay with you. I'll be in Vegas August 31st, September. Lobo, hit me up. If you're able to bump into me while you're down here, take a picture with your boy. Hit me up, Lobo. D, mute yourself. Oh, okay, you muted. I got Rampage going on Tantrum on Tram right now. Brad says I watched it on Placenta, no problem. Drill bit. I tried 4 different movies on Bible Movies, none available. I just did 2. I was 2 for 2, y'all. So, and y'all see me do 2 for 2. Y'all need me to do some more? I'll do some more. This is so you guys is working on my end. Drill bit. What device is you using? LJ, you're the only person I'm gonna really take that from. So DST in the building. What's good, LJ? GoPro Donnie says y'all keep that stuff in house, yo. That's why I said I'll figure it out. GoPro Donnie, I'll figure it out. Mr. Bamo says want to see less sites around. Use it. Do not, please don't attack sites. Simply Deep 1985 says right on your FileLink store and is APK called Appy Free, and does it work on a Fire Stick? Simply Deep, you asked the Neil or you asked the me? Because Abby is in my FileLink store as well. So is you asked the me or is you asked the Neil? Bob says not a good idea to use that add-on. It will shut down a lot of movie sources. Bob, you want to come on? We got a discussion to talk about. Bob, Troop, send Bob a link for me. Send Blamo a link for me.
I got him.
Bo, you buffering. I'm buffering? Am I buffering? Bo knows. Please help me if you can. Is there a launcher? Is there a launcher for the Fire TV box 2nd generation? I want to grab some of my icons and put them together, like all movies, APKs, all music, or all TV shows together. Me, Pat Grant, I use App Starter, but you can't put them like in one folder. You can put them all in one location, but you can't put them all. I use App, and then with me using App Starter, you can go in to use. Hold on. You can go in to use. What is it called? Real just gave it to me. Real and J-Mac just gave it to me. Actually, they both talked to me about it. Launcher takeover or kickover. LJ, what's the name of that launcher? I know LJ is in there. LJ, what's the name of that launcher that what's the name of that launcher, LJ, that Real number used?
Silo launcher.
Who?
Which one? The silo launcher?
No. It's take over the. It's you take over the. I just used it. Hold on. I just used it. I just used it because Real. I was just talking about it because Real and Dale or J Mac, one of them was using it. Oh, Launcher Hijack. It's Launcher Hijack. So, Pat, I use Launcher Hijack to take over my App Starter, and then when I take over it, then you can take over it and design it however you want to use it for the Fire TV box or for the Fire Sticks. So, if you need it, let me know. Dale said Nova Launcher. You can't use Nova Launcher though, Dale, on the Fire TV though, Dale, on the Fire TV box. You can't. I don't think you can use Nova Launcher there on the Fire TV box. Can you, Dale? Hold on, Bob. I'm gonna put the link and I'll put it in the. I'll put it out there, Bob, and then just click on the link, Bob. I think that's what it is. I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna wait and see if Dale do come on. But Bob, click the link. Who else? Who else I get the link to? Oh, Blamo.
I got him. I know what it is.
Okay, yeah, Bob has got it right now.
Go ahead, Blamo. Click on the link.
APK's deal. GoPro down here. Are you or the panel using Leah? No, I'm not. Is anyone of y'all using Leah? Leah? I don't use it. What's good, DJ Black Tiger? Okay, yeah, okay, LJ, okay, that's what it is. It's the launcher hijack, right, LJ? I got one to come up. Whoop. Deadpool. So I will get there. That's what's up, Luella. Keep trying them, Luella. What's good, King Dose? What's good with you? Pat Gray says, oh, okay, launcher hijack and app starter. Thank you so much. Let me know, Pat, if you need me to put them, if you need me to put both of them in the chat, Pat, I'll put both of them in there. That way you will have them. If not, then you can always send me an email, Pat, and then I can send them to you that way as well. If you can't find either one of them, let me know. I thought you were talking about yeah, no, yeah, there. I was talking about. She was talking about the Fire TV box. Hey James, what's up, Bobby? What's good, Bobby Rose 2112?
Hello.
What's good, Blamo? What's good, Bob?
Not bad.
Okay, with the talking of the What's the app that you said? What's the add-on, Diggity? You said?
Legendary. I mean, I
Okay.
tried it. I mean, it was good.
No,
I mean,
no, shut up right now.
Whoa!
Wait. Hold up.
No,
One
Nick.
thing is, no, you're not gonna sit here and disrespect me and tell me to shut up because I
dude.
haven't said nothing
Shut up
disrespectful
right
to
now.
you. So please don't disrespect me.
Quiet.
We're both men. We're both men.
Yeah. So yeah, if anything, guys, you guys already know. When y'all come in here, Wait a minute, Blamo. When you guys come in here, you guys knowing. If you guys gonna be on here, you guys gonna be respectful to everybody that's on the panel. But Blamo and Bob, what's wrong with Legendary?
This add-on, it uses triples and doubles of the same scraper, which hit the sites in a fraction of a second.
Okay.
And it's gonna end up killing these sites. You get 10,000 people using it, and it's hitting one of these sites 60,000 times. You think of it like that. It's gonna matter when the users can't get their content, and they're gonna care then.
Okay, so Bob.
Here it is. Here it is, and he's correct. He's absolutely correct. But what you need to understand is these networks have security. Okay, so let's just say Bo knows is the only one clicking on a movie.
Okay.
The security looks at it. The security says, coming from your IP, it's requesting a movie. And it gives it to you. If Bo knows his IP hit it 60,000 times within seconds, the security's going to shut it down. Shut that IP down.
Okay.
And what is, then that IP gets banned. Once that IP gets banned, now you lose that source. Now, imagine this. Imagine the add-on looking at 15 or 20 good movie scraping sites to get movies. And in one night, you get banned from all 15 or 20 of them.
Right.
You're done.
Right.
Okay? It's because of the way it was created. After I watched that video, I tore the add-on apart. It's ridiculous the way it's put together.
Okay, so here's my question. Okay, had anybody said anything about Legendary out in the YouTube in the community as far as to not use it? Huh?
Yeah, there's a video, and there's some proof posted on Twitter ripping it apart.
Yep.
Right, but I'm talking about. I mean, I hear you guys saying
there was a video. There's a video done by Kodi 1 recommending
Kodi 1. Yeah.
Not because it's a bad not because it's a bad add-on. Okay, whoops. It's because of the way it's built, and it's slamming these sites so many times that things are going to get blocked.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's the. Go ahead, dude.
Now, since Bob put it that way, because I didn't see the video, I seen somebody review the add-on. I never seen the video that Kodi 1 put up.
Yeah, you can't just say something's good without looking at it.
But I mean, I can say something's good. Wait.
Before saying something's good, you look at it.
Okay, but I played with it and I thought it was good. So my opinion. You just said you watched the video. So don't lie to me. Listen to me. Listen to what I said. See, this is the problem that you're having right now. I said that I never seen the video that Kodi 1 put out. I seen a video that a YouTuber reviewed it, and I tried it. That's what I said. Okay? I said I tried it. That's why I said it was good. Just like I've tried your add-on. Placenta is good. Neptune is good. Now, if Kodi 1 was to put a video out, but if Kodi 1 to put a video out saying it's bad, I don't know that because I didn't see the video.
Right. Okay, and then at the end, whoa. At the end of the day, guys, my thing is this. Okay, for me, it's all about the end users, and if the end users cannot use it, then of course, Bob, Blamo, I get it. But
they can't use it. You're just saying it's going to cause them issues. And DVD was 100% right. The average Joe user, once the add-on in, would not know this, or would probably understand Kodi 1. Okay? Because they don't. not.
Yeah, they don't know.
But
Bob, you're breaking up. They can't hear what you said.
Yeah, I can.
They can't hear what you said, Bob.
All I heard was 100% DVD, right, something else. So, could you say it again?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. What I'm saying is the average user DVD was absolutely correct. The average user is not going to know this stuff. And I understand that. I'm just letting them know. I'm not saying don't use it. I'm giving you a reason why not to use it.
Right, and that's the reason. Why, Bob, I said for you to come on, for Blammo to come on, for DVD to come on. Well, DVD was already on, but the reason why I asked for you guys to come on was because that way I'm getting a different eye, a different ear of if it works, if it doesn't work, what's wrong with it, what's going on with it, because I haven't used it at all. So, and
I'm sure that the developer will go out there and fix it and put an update on it. And you know, so yes, is everybody right who said what they said? You're absolutely correct. DVD was correct. Everybody is correct. All we can do is let the people know from a technical standpoint, there are some issues with that add-on right now. But that doesn't mean tomorrow if he puts an update in, it solves the issues and away it goes and it's a great add-on.
Right, and then for so everybody know, so everybody won't think it's a big thing between Blammo and DVD. Here's the thing. My thing is with Blammo and DVD. I don't want anybody to think it is as big as what everybody think it is, because it's not. If that's the case, Blammo probably wouldn't be on, DVD probably wouldn't be on my panel. It's just that my thing is when it comes to certain things that you're passionate in, you're gonna have somebody else that don't want the end users to get the wrong answer. So Blammo might have came off a little bit disrespectful, but he probably didn't mean to come out about it that way. It's just that he was more or less probably passionate about what he deals with. So I want you guys thinking there's beef on my panel, because if anything, guys, I know how to eject anybody out my panel. So I get it. At the end of the day, it is, guys. It's about respect, and if anybody gonna make sure the respect is being taken, it's gonna be me, because y'all know how I get down. So I got love for everybody that's on my panel. I got love for them blessing my panel. But at the end of the day, it's about them making sure they educate you guys right before you guys go get something. You know what I'm saying? I don't want you guys to go get my own app, and I'm telling y'all, I got the best app. Get my app. No, I don't care what y'all say, but then you might have somebody else to say, "Hey, you know what? Bo don't have the best app." And if they can put flaws into my app, then I'm cool with that.
This is the way you have to look at it. Any developer that takes the time and the effort to create a Kodi add-on or an APK, you have to give them credit, because that's a lot of time and a lot of technical knowledge that he's using for people to use for free and to get all this great content. So you have to respect all of them.
Yep.
Right, and that's that. I look at it like that. My thing is, I want to make sure everybody is fed the right way. And even with me, if I say something wrong and somebody want to correct me, I have no problem, because I don't have all the answers. But if I'm saying something wrong or if I don't know it, I'd rather somebody say, "Hey, Bo," you know what I'm saying? So that's the biggest thing. So just like Troop said, there is no beef. Yes, Dave James, the hammer is in the chat, but I got a big hammer too. So and then only that, my DST team is here. So I mean, I got if I need any help, LJ's out there, Dale's out there, Troop is on the panel. So again, y'all, we can get back to the normal program of let's get educated. Let's get some teaching. So bring back Glass. Seneca, I was loving Glass. I do not know what happened with them. I was loving the Glass app. I was loving that app. What's good, Silverback? Who else? I want to make sure I didn't miss nobody. I think somebody else. Karen, what's good? I want to make sure I didn't miss anybody. Bob, while you're on here right now, Bob, is there anything that you got going on, news, anything that you want anybody to know what's going on with you and the Goodfellas team while you're on the panel right now?
The iOS app for MyWiget is so close we can taste it. We're waiting for that final email from Apple, which we're hoping to get by tomorrow, saying it's in there, and away we go. We will be doing 2 major updates to MyWiget. So once we do it, it's going to be about 20 minutes to a half hour to do the update. The site will be a little sluggish, but we need to update the actual site and then put the update out for the APK at the same time. The new ISO app should be out. So everything, and people will like it. We fixed a lot of issues that people were bringing up and adding some other stuff into it. So everybody should enjoy it.
Mr. Blamo, you're right next to him on my panel. Is there anything you got going on new? Is there anything you want people to be looking for? Or what do you want to tell them good people out there?
Just stay tuned. Lots of stuff coming. Don't use stuff that you don't know, and respect the devs and everyone.
No, you're not. Not you. I'm talking out loud to the person that's next. DVDs. Anything you got going on new? Is there anything you got to want to tell the people that what's going on with you and your side of town? What you got going on, sir?
Can you hear me?
Everybody can hear you.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if I was on mute or not because my son was in the background. Well, I don't know. He didn't never give me the AOK to mention it, so I'm not gonna mention that right now. But,
okay. So what else you got going on besides what we can't hear?
Basically, man, just doing videos, doing gaming on my channel, and doing reviews on different things, you know. And you know, I was gonna do a review on the add-on because I seen it today, but now since Bob put it that way, I'm not gonna do it, you know. So, but definitely, I got a bunch of things coming, reviews and gaming and different things like that coming to the channel. And I got something big I'm working on though. I got something big I'm working on that's gonna be free for the end users, and it's gonna be real nice, real nice.
Shut up! You're working on something?
Yes, like I'm always am. I'm always working on something. You know that.
And Troop was there. GoPro Donnie, I can't deal with you tonight, GoPro Donnie. You I think I need my brother to deal with you, GoPro Donnie. GoPro Donnie, yes, I remember. I'm quite sure the whole DST team remember about Monday. We definitely remember about Monday. Monday was something else. So look, one just came in, so I know Dale in the building, so I know he definitely remember about Monday.
Oh yeah, I definitely know about Monday. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing out there?
Since he just popped in, I'm gonna let you guys know what's going on with him, what's new with him, what he got going on, and what's part of the DST since he got the head. He the head, y'all. He ain't gonna say he is, but he the head, y'all.
I ain't the head, man. Real the head. Real. Hey, but check it out, man. I jumped in, you know. Sometimes I like to be in the background. A few things I definitely want to discuss, man. I think I kind of mentioned it on previous shows. Sometimes we got to respect each other. Even though if you don't like a person or you dislike a person, sometimes we got to respect. And that's part of being a leader. That's part of being mature. Because you don't like somebody or you don't get along with nobody, it's no need for anyone to act like they're, you know, was brought up without no manners. I know we all grown. We can say what we want to say, but we don't have to show it. You know, we just got to sit back, man. If you don't agree with a person, just don't agree with them. But to anybody in YouTube, one thing about me, and this is for anybody, man, who trying to grow, who trying to better themselves. Don't let no one distract you from doing anything.
Whoa! Hold up. Could you repeat that, sir?
Oh yeah, I got to repeat it. Don't let no one distract you from doing anything. Part of YouTube, everybody come to YouTube to learn. And if you put something out there and it was a mistake or it was bad, just make a video saying, hey, look, this is what I did. You know, we as streamers, man, I think out of all of us, man, we the most disrespectful group on YouTube, honestly. And the best thing to do, yeah, you can give somebody information, man, but to the person that's doing YouTube, do it. If you're gonna put a video out, put the video out. Don't let no one don't let nobody look. They tell me the Shield is the best. The Shield may be the best to you, but that don't mean the Shield is the best to me. It's all about personal preference. And that's what you got to be. You got to be confident in your craft. And that's just what I want to put out there, man, because we got too many disrespect, just like what happened on the show. And I'm gonna apologize to the guy, the subscriber this weekend. What happened on Monday. So I'm saying, like, when we come on each other's show, listen, if there's a problem, pull the guy coattail. If you don't like him, look, I would just instead of attacking him, just say, no, this is the problem with that item you're talking about. You know, instead of attacking, we got to come together, y'all.
But here's one thing. I'll let you finish there. But here's one thing that he said that we got to start doing after the show, guys. After the show, we always come together after the show. Am I right or am I wrong?
Yeah.
So when we come together, then I think that's the best time to say, hey, you either said such and such wrong, or half of us got ways to text each other to say, hey, that's not true, or that's wrong, or you telling them wrong. But when you put somebody on blast on Front Street in front of, I got 57 people in here right now, then other people are going to take offense of you trying to check or you trying to get at somebody else in a different light. So you guys got to look at it like Dale said. We all a light of leading, of teaching, of educating. We're actually in that light. And again, reason why I chose to be in and to be a part of the DST team is because I want to be part of something that's go with the same morals that I have. You know what I'm saying? So with the same morals that I have, they have those same morals. That's why you don't hear me going at Dale on his show, or he going at me on my show, or LJ, or Real. You know, but that's not to say that none of us have never gotten to with each other or disagreed.
Right. And we disagree a lot, y'all. We disagree. But it's just, listen, it's all about respect, man. We do not have to disrespect anyone. I don't get along with a lot of people, you know, but I don't disrespect them. I just tend to just stay away from it, you know. And I know it's been some bad blood in the past. Believe me, I know. I was in it. I was involved. I'm not saying I'm perfect. But at one time, man, we got to all grow up. None of us are perfect. I think everybody play a part in this. Everybody. From the biggest one on down to the smallest one that got one subscriber. You know, we all play a part in this. You know, we should all support each other. And if you don't like the person or you don't want to deal with the person, don't let everybody know you don't like it. Just don't deal with the person. You know,
because and here's what's funny. The DST team know I've had beef with somebody, but you guys don't know that. You know what I'm saying? You guys don't know who that person is and none of that. And I'd rather keep it that way because to me it's not that serious. But instead of me coming here, I addressed them. I addressed it to them. And once I addressed it to them, he actually was man enough to address it back to me. And then he went his way, I went my way. He good, I'm good. That's just the way I see that. But I agree. I get along with whoever it is. I don't care from big to small. And I'm big enough to say, if you don't like me, hey, you ain't stopping nothing because I'm gonna get on here every Wednesday or Tuesday or whatever day I'm gonna come on here. You ain't stopping nothing because it's about me. Like I said, feeding the end users at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And that's the way everybody else gotta look at it. If you don't like nobody, or you disagree with somebody, or you don't like the way they run their channel, or whatever the case may be, and you in the same panel with them, I mean, you here for a second, and then move on to the next thing. But you in somebody else's house, you gotta look at it that way. When you in your own house, you can get as ugly as you want to. Trust me, you can get as ugly as you want to.
And Bobby said, "Let DVD came and blame on let it out." Nah, they don't need to let it out. They are two grown men. Grown men don't have to put on the show in front of others. You know, grown men don't have to do that. You know, mature men to sit back and be like, hey, it is what it is. Yep. I take care of my house, you take care of your house, Bo take care. It's our real LJ, everybody, J Mac, everybody, Bob from Goodfella, all the Goodfella teams, each one of them take care of their own house. They just come together when it's time to come together. And that's what it's about. You know, I'm quite sure everybody get into a disagreement every now and then. That's just part of being a team. You know, but we don't need to air out each other laundry. I think we did that over a year ago.
Yeah, and it has to blow away in the wind. Yeah. But the biggest thing that within what Blamo said, what DVD said, what Troop said, and before Bob and them got on, what did I say? I said I will look at it. Because at the end of the day, we always gonna say to you guys, regardless of what Bo say, regardless of what Dale say, regardless of what DVD say, regardless of what Blamo or Bob say, we always say at the end of the day, do your research.
Do your research.
Just because I say it's golden doesn't mean it's golden. Do your research and be like, nah, Bo blew it on that one. He's saying it's good, but nah, Bo, I don't think so.
Yeah. So
do your research, baby. At the end of the day, do your research, and that'll take care of if Bo is right or if Bo is wrong. And I'm gonna use me. I'm not gonna use nobody else, but I'll say it as that way. And you gotta think about it. I done had some controversial people on here, but that wasn't gonna stop me from having them on there. You know what I'm saying? So I want them on here because I want to hear what they have to say. Period.
I wasn't trying to be controversial. Answering your question from a technical standpoint.
Bob, I love it. Trust me, I love it because you got to think about it. You saying one thing, DVD saying another thing, Blamo saying something else. It gives the people insight to go, oh, okay. Because you got to think about it. You guys play with it. You guys know about it. Blamo did the same thing. DVD did the same thing. He probably doesn't do as much as y'all did, but he saw a video and he went from there. He didn't go to other sources like he said. I never went to Twitter to find out what the video was about. You know what I'm saying? So there's a difference from different people's researching. So you saying that what you saying, you wasn't wrong. You were just giving how you feel about it.
It's called
that's what you're supposed to do. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do.
And that's what it's about. Everybody had their own opinion. That's why I say, don't let, for any YouTuber out here, everybody on this bad boy is a YouTuber. Whether you do videos or not, you're here for a reason.
Okay. What's up, Mark Metro? He says, know your facts, never assume, do your research. Exactly.
So
exactly.
You know,
hey, Lady CP, I'm not doing any drama. I mean, I apologize if I got somebody mad.
No. Look, Bob, look what that says at Bobby, not Bob, at Bobby.
You go, Bobby.
No, that's Bobby. Sorry.
You came in and explained it the right way. That's the good part. He came in and explained it what really it does.
Right, that's what I'm saying. But what's good, No Nation? So, and that's what I'm saying. Me, I couldn't give an answer, and me, I know I'm not gonna give a false answer, or I'm not gonna bag something if I don't know myself.
Yeah.
So that's just all that is. That's why I said if y'all know about it, then yeah, come on. So, and again, y'all, there's no drama, so we're good.
I mean, it ain't nothing wrong with a little drama.
Well,
right. It's a little bit.
Hey, Dale. So can I speak on what I don't know because I never did get an answer. So I just want to figure out.
Can you speak on what?
On what I asked you, Bo.
Oh, well, you can ask. I told you to ask him that.
Well, I mean,
I don't care. I don't care. You can. Hey, y'all, look, you want me to announce it for you?
Yeah. That's a lot better because you already know.
Look, hey, for everybody. Look, as some of y'all know, on Bo's show, look, during this time of the season, it's football season, and both my boys play football. On Wednesdays, they scrimmage. All right, they scrimmage against other teams, what makes it almost nearly impossible for us to get home, get situated, and do a movie review. That being said, King went through Bo And yes, King, I seen your text messages. My phone was dying. I did see it. King wants to take on the show until after the football season. All right. So he would like for everyone that's involved that came on my show and talked about movies, he wants to do it until after the season is over. The season probably not going to be over until like the first week in November. And it's just a lot of time. As y'all seen Monday that I was like an hour late. If y'all look, we just talking about movies. We're being critics. And right now, he love it. I know he love movies. He watched movies probably than more of us. He would like to take it over until after the season. And I will give him salute and power to take over it, and he can run it. And go from there. Now, do that make me and DVD King best pals? No. I'm just supporting another YouTuber who want to help the community.
So he's taking over your channel?
No, not my channel.
No, not his channel. He's taking over the actual the way he does the movie critic for the time being until the season is over with. When the season is over with, then Dale's gonna go back into doing what he was doing.
Yeah, because I liked it too, but it's too hard for me, y'all. It is too hard. Miss Rose hit me. Well, she hit me up. She said, "Hey, it ain't no movie night," you know, and it was like 9 o'clock. So, DVD, if you want it, go ahead. Do what you got to do. Just do it. I hope you do it correctly. If you don't, you know, they'll tell you about it.
Yeah, well, no.
And look, let me say one more thing.
Go ahead.
Be yourself. Have fun with it. Have fun with it. Be yourself. Joke about it, and build your base back up. You know, yeah, you can go ahead and take over it.
Hey, Superdell, can I say one thing to you?
Yes, sir.
I didn't even tell my wife about that whole movie critic thing you do, that movie review. She hasn't find you. And every once a week, her and I have like movie night where, you know, you're a pain in the ass because every time you bring one up, I got to watch it. And I haven't got my pick. So the next time you do this and you talk about the movie review, it'd be really nice for you to let people know that they should let their other partner pick a movie once in a while.
So starting next Wednesday at he normally goes on at 6:30.
No. He do not go on at 6:30.
It's 6:30. Oh no. At 5:30, right?
No, it's 5 o'clock your time, 8 o'clock my time.
Okay, so at
he goes
5 o'clock.
He goes from 5 to 7.
Okay, so at 5 o'clock,
he's
Pacific time.
Pacific time
for you.
Pacific time. Yeah.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock Eastern time.
You got to put that, or they will check you on that.
Definitely.
They will chin check you, man. I've been chin checked on a few emails. Superdell, it'd be nice if you use a Eastern Standard Time. You got to use a time zone.
Okay, so definitely. So, I will get with Dale, and I'll pick up the last. I don't know what last movies he did do.
I think they was the war movies. So yeah,
war movies. Okay.
Yeah.
So it was Red Tails, Platoon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So next Wednesday we'll pick up where Dale left off. We're not gonna skip the movies. We're gonna do the same movies that Dale did, and then pick it up from there.
Yep.
So we'll do it that way, and we'll do it the same routine on how Dale does it. You know, do it the skip it or ticket way. So.
No, shoot, no, put your own twist to it too. No. Yeah, put your own twist to it. I mean, you could take. Look, you can take it. You can take it, right? And you know, because you can tweak that bad boy. You can tweak it. Shoot, when I get it back, if yours doing good, better than mine, I'm gonna tweak it. I'm gonna take your style and I'm running with it.
Wait a minute. No, why? Everybody giving you advice. On demand says no porn. You got GoPro Donnie said Robo Downey said, we'll watch your show DVD, but give all the super chats to Dale.
Hey, that's fine. That's fine. Go ahead. I mean, you know what? Dale is he's giving me his blessing with this. I'm gonna make him proud because this is his baby. This is what he brought to the forefront. He made it. He grew it. He planted the seed and watched it grow. So I'm just gonna continue to let it grow until he comes back. He can't water his garden while he's at football.
Yeah, no, okay.
You know, so I'm gonna take over watering the garden for a little while. I'm watching his garden.
Hell no, you ain't taking over no garden. Nothing.
Well, I guess I won't be there.
Quiet long enough. God dog it.
I won't be there.
Why not, Troop? Why won't you be there, Troop?
Be quiet.
Because I'm banned to be in the mod and out of this shows.
Well, you just be in the chat.
I'm good. I wish they'll come back.
Hey, Miss Gail say, will the same panel be on? Yeah, that's something DVD gonna have to get in touch with.
That if they want, anybody is welcome on the show.
Hold on. I can answer that. If all he doing is coming in while Dell is gone, guys. That's it. So the same panel that wants to go on there, you guys are more than welcome. Y'all hearing it from me. I'm gonna step on DVD's. I'm gonna step on DVD show on his feet right now, y'all. When he first asked me to ask Dale, he wanted everything to be the same anyway.
Yeah.
So true. If you're coming up there over there on the panel, you're more than welcome over there, as long as you're not over there acting up.
Look at it. True can't say that.
Yeah, so I mean that's what I said. But that's what I said.
Salute,
Mr. Review Dork, what's good with you? What's good with you? Mr. Review Dork, I like him for blessing my chat, y'all, with the $50 super chat. I ain't never seen purple before. I appreciate that purple. So I appreciate the purple. So much love to him. You know, I was over there stealing some of your apps and putting them on my video. I was telling him. I said, boy, he getting it in. I need to get some too. If you want to come on the panel Review Dork, I just put the link out there. If you want to come on, I don't know how many on here right now, but if you want to come on Review Dork, you're more than welcome to hit my panel. You already know. You know what it is.
I don't know.
No, but the same people, you know, everybody's welcome, no matter who you are. You know, you're welcome on my panel, no matter who you are. The panel will be open, and you know, I will be tweaking it just a little bit.
Tweak that bad boy.
You know, and just to inform you guys on how I will be tweaking it, just so you know, Dale would know. I don't know if Dale ever watched one of my urban movie review shows that I was doing, but I get into the director's head, meaning that, you know, when I review a movie, I actually, let's take Red Tail for example. I will say, hey, you know, what could they have done different to make the movie, you know, come out a different aspect? Meaning that if my example is right, my knowledge is right, one of the Red Tails dies. I don't know if it was Lawrence Fishburne character or one of them dies. If they would have kept that character alive, how would the ending came? So, you know, I get into the director's head to turn it around just a little bit to see on how would the outcome would have been if the director would have went a different way.
Yeah, that's part of being the critic.
That's part of being a critic. So yeah, and then also to Pat, Dale was doing that. Actually, he didn't do he wasn't doing a live show about it. He was doing it on one of his videos. So what I will do is, Dale, what do you think about? Which I like her idea. What do you think about a 30-minute show, 20-minute show of questions and answers of Q&A? She said, Pat said, Bo and SUPERDELLTV, how about a 30-minute to an hour show just for questions and answers? Just the idea she had.
Who said that? Let me see.
Pat Grant.
Oh, Pat Grant. Oh, shoot. That's a great idea. That's awesome. Actually, I did one, but it wasn't live.
Yeah, it wasn't live, though.
But yeah, maybe that's something I can look at. I think that's something all of us can look at and just.
Right. So I said, if you want to do it, I'm with you on it. If you want to do it, for you know, 30 minutes out the day, whatever day it is. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if we able to do it. I'm with it. Going on with you to go on there and we just ask. We won't do nothing but answer questions.
Yeah, we can. Matter of fact, if you want, me and Bo will sit down later. Like, probably not tonight, but probably tomorrow. Because we our time zones are so different. But one day he'll do it on his channel, and one week I'll do it on mine, and yeah, that's a great idea.
Yeah, a real great idea. And for you guys that don't think we don't talk, we talk.
Oh yeah, we talk more than shoot.
Yeah, we talk. I was bugging him today. So
hey, that's an awesome idea though. So yeah, that's an awesome idea. And salute to Review Dork. Blessing my boy Bo. You know, that just goes to show you right there, when you put in that work, hey, the family will come in and bless you. You know, and that's what it's about. You know?
Like I said, I ain't seen purple before. I said, what the? Adele show, I see yellow, purple, red, green, black. I'm like, I ain't never seen black.
I want to see black.
Yeah, okay. I went to Dale show. I'm like, God, they say Christmas tree.
Right. That's probably $1,000 come up in black.
Yeah. So yeah, okay. You reach black, but I do. And Dale said something. I had to go back and rewatch the show, and he said something that I want all YouTubers to look at, as far as if you're trying to grow your channel and stuff like that. It's not gonna always start off peaches and cream. It's a grind. It's a grind, guys. And then with the grind, you can't be jealous or have hatred toward the next YouTuber. For Review Door, Dale, Target, Touchstone, certain ones that are their numbers are skyrocketing than mine. For them to come and show their support to me lets me know that they're genuine to me. You know, it tells me a lot, because they don't have to come down to help the lower YouTubers. But for them to help us, it means a lot, and it should let you guys know that they able to come in and support other YouTubers. And that's the part of that we need. We need other and all YouTubers to try to help each other. Yeah, that's what, you know. Yeah, and that's basically what it is all about. It's all about us trying to help. You know, and Review Dork said it the way how I look at it. We all equal. That's how I look at it. And Dale was the first one to say it to me, Bo. You know, even though I call him the head, like I teased him earlier, he is, hey, Bo, you a man like I am. Let's go in what we do, which is feed the end users. So that's why I follow a lot of YouTubers, because I can get something from every YouTuber. I don't care who it is. Who whistling at me? Somebody whistling at me. I know I'm
someone's phone.
Drill Big says DVD channels. What do you mean by DVD channels?
I think he want to know the URL so he can click on it.
Oh, DVD, put your information in the chat.
All right, hold on.
Wait a minute. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do this. All YouTubers on the panel, all YouTubers inside the chat. If you're a YouTuber, press 1. So within you guys pressing 1, if you guys have not subscribed to their channel, go to their channel and you can add them on your channel. So all the YouTubers are pressing 1. I got Next Level Tech, I got True, I got Zombie, I got Mr. On Demand, I got Kodi Man, I got SUPERDELLTV somewhere in there. I got Tantrum, which is Mod DD. I got Bob, which is from I was gonna keep saying I need y'all to help me. Good fellas. I need The Real, which is part of the DST. SUPERDELL got his in there, part of the DST. I got Mike G. He said he ain't one, but he gonna put in 72. So that's what's up. DJ Black Tiger, really GoPro Donnie. I got Marcos, which is he part of the 69 squad? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't want to be saying stuff that's not true. So again, I appreciate you guys for putting the one in for me, and then Real, thanks for putting in DVD's channel as well. Dave James says, Bo, I see your shows are breaking news ground, doing something not too many others are doing. It's the team I'm part of, Dave James. It's the team I'm part of. Even though DVD's not part of the team, part of the DST team, him and Dale pushed me to be where I'm at. So I always give them two ups, the big ups, as far as push me to where I'm at. DVD got me on board. Dale pushed me to do my channel. Dale like, Bo, what you waiting on? I'm like, what you talking about? He like, Bo, what you waiting on? What you mean? He like, Bo, no, I ain't doing no YouTube channel. You lost your mind? He like, Bo, the knowledge you got and the apps you be finding and getting, if you don't do no YouTube page. So that's why I give them the ups that I give them. Most people like, you in love with Dale or DVD? No, it's just about pushing out love to me. DVD, I call him my bros. I call Dale my bros. Them my bros to me. But I got LJ that put me in check as well. Like I said, the reason why I love my team too, I don't want to say my team because it's not my team, but the reason why I love the part of the team I am, again, I said it when I went on vacation. Every last one of them that I talked to was down for the cause for me. I was in a situation and they was like, they had my back. So I appreciate them for them to not meet me, but have my back. That's a team, y'all. That's a team. That whistle was right on time. Nah, you get. Let me see. Miss Beyonce, what's good with you? I saw her come in. Intel Vernon says, what's good, family? Have to work early in the morning. Just want to support right quick. That's what's up, Intel. Appreciate you for coming in.
What up, Intel?
On Demand says, hit that thumbs up. On Demand, I was saying, ain't no on midnight. On Demand, why you on here? Let the people know what's going on with you, what you got going on, that everybody don't know what you got going on, because they gonna need that.
Hey, turn on your mic, man. Turn on your mic.
Hear you.
Come on, man. You're a pro now. You're a pro.
Shine on. Get the shine on.
All right. Stop playing around, man. You must have been on that motorcycle earlier.
Turn that cap around.
Listen.
You know what? We gonna you know what? Come this Saturday, we're gonna have a national show your bald head, including myself. If you ain't got a bald head, you can't come on the panel.
Well, I guess I'll be on the panel then. I'll be on there.
Me, bro, on demand. Who else bald?
Oh no, not J Man. I was gonna say J Man. He not bald head either. Why on demand fixing his mic, y'all? We gonna let Next Level Tech. Is you on there?
Yeah, man, I'm here still.
We know he ain't bald, Bo.
Okay, so
he can't come on the panel.
What you say, there? We treat him like we treat Real. Let me get some of that good hair.
Right.
Next Level Tech.
There was years I was bald. I used to go into the barbershop, let them do the straight blade, get rid of all my hair. There was years I did that. But now, I work from home, so I don't need to go out. I don't need to, look a certain way. So whatever, man. Save money on razors and haircuts.
So while you talking there, Next Level Tech, let the people know what you got going on new, and what you got going on, because they need that.
Right now what I'm working on is trying to get my hands on as many different boxes as I can. So I'm just trying to learn as much as possible so that I can help people that are using different boxes. That's what I'm trying to do right now.
You trying to get as many boxes as you can so people can know like what's a good box or what's a bad box? You just
it's not even about what's good and what's bad. I just want to have that knowledge, so if people come to me and say, I'm using this box, what do I do? What launchers can I use? How do I maneuver around it? How can I make it more user friendly? That kind of stuff. Because I've really been trying to figure out how to make any box more user friendly. And the more boxes I get my hands on, is the more little tips and tricks I can use to either maneuver that box's operating system or use a completely different launcher and change the whole look of it, right?
Right. And Dale said, don't forget you got the Fire Stick.
What fire stick? I ain't got no fire sticks here.
No, I'm saying
those things. They stopped that thing at the border, man.
No, he's showing the fire stick.
They got the fire sticks.
Hey, you know this device is better than the Shield.
Yeah, right.
Let me stop, because you know an email gonna come. Hey, I'm gonna get an email that damn. You know you're wrong. You're wrong.
And nobody told me. Nobody told me I had the it was just on me. I'm wondering, like, I come the thing not changing. Nobody ain't said nothing.
No, you're kind of right though. It's better than the Shield. It makes a better doorstop.
You get on demand or no? You get yet on demand or?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, okay.
No, we can't hear you. We can't hear you.
We can't hear you.
We can't hear. What you say?
Hello, can you hear me?
No.
That you might.
You make $1 million to go and get you a $4 mic.
Okay. Come on, Eugene. Get it together, Eugene.
It's like, we hear you, man. We hear you.
5 and below. 5 and below.
Right.
Like now. Oh my god.
We see you sold that motorcycle. Where that motorcycle at, man?
It's still here.
Oh, okay. I'm about to come get it, man. You ain't using it. I'm gonna bring it back to Detroit, man.
You.
But yeah.
You guys see the article
we waiting on you on demand.
I don't got nothing really too much new. Just did some reviews. I just put and modded Angry Birds game on my FileLink. That's about it.
You said you did what to a bird?
I got angry.
Oh, they got angry as a bird. Oh, okay. Who else am I missing? I think I got everybody on there. LJ, let everybody know what you got going on with you. What's going on with you?
Sitting back, chilling, man. Buying up property and making money.
Hey, that's what's up.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. James Mack, what you got going on? What you got going on with you?
Oh man, just chilling, and just doing a couple of things behind the scenes, trying to make everything work out.
Okay. Oh, LJ, since I have you on there, I told Ruth we was gonna try to find out. Is there any or Lamo was on here as well. Bob, any of you guys is on the panel. My first question was, do you guys know any add-ons that you can use that go straight, that to give you a straight link going into it? Is there any add-ons that's out there that's doing that? I don't think it is.
Great link.
When you're saying straight link, you mean straight link to the
one click?
Yeah, go right into it.
I got some of that. There's only one person I know that's using one-click play movies, and that's BOBMOVIES. Everybody else is using scrapers.
Sure.
Okay. So you basically have to go. You basically have to use. It's not nothing in Kodi then, right?
Right, but what people need to do is when you download an add-on, one of the first things you want to do is right-click on that add-on or go into the settings of that add-on and get familiar with them. Because when the scrapers are scraping, if there are specific sites that you're getting movies from and they play great on your box to your location, you can go in and disable the other ones in the settings of the add-on. Most of the guys that are programming the add-ons are putting that in, especially with the scrapers. So that will solve a lot of the issues that you're having. You know, I'm sure what they're talking about is they click this link and it starts playing and maybe it buffers and they have to back out and go pick another link. So if you pay attention to what you're clicking on and kind of make a note of it, most of the guys, the developers have put that in their settings, so you can go in and I'm just going to use maybe from source A, movies really don't play for you. So you can just disable source A so you don't see that anymore and you don't see those links.
Flix has in their new release, Flix has a direct link.
Yes, they do.
They have a new release for direct links.
Or you can just start your Plex. You can have one-click play all day.
Or that as well.
Yeah.
Which I have to get my Plex back up and running. I don't know if I want to, but I will pretty soon.
I know I do. I got to redo it.
Because I know once I get it back up and running, I'm going to be crying because that's all I'm going to be trying to do is
Hey, Bo,
Morning. Yes, sir.
I joined the stream a little bit late, but did you guys talk about the new Shield bundle that's coming out?
The new what?
There's a new bundle with the Shield. It's a smart home bundle.
What with the smart link and all that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that they did that last year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they did that. Actually, me and Real, I think we got a couple of them smart link things. I never even messed with it, man.
Like, what does that connect to? Will it connect to Alexa, or will it connect to your Google Home, or?
Yeah, it connect to Alexa. You just got to go in and do the settings. It actually, yeah, it'll connect to it because you already got a Google Assistant in it.
To the DST team, after the show, I'd like to be able to talk to you. I was listening to one of SUPERDELTV shows, and he brought up a point, and because you guys were allowing us to come on and talk about my Wicked and stuff, the good fellows have a present for you. But I want to give it to you in private, and then you can do with it what you will.
Okay.
That's what's up.
That's what's up. Also, for the guys that's on the panel, if you have a file link, I'm gonna do another step. If you guys have a file link, put your file link number in the chat and the pin. And the reason why I said that is I just changed my pin. I actually did get it fixed, so I will put my file link in there as well, and I will put the link. I have added some new APKs, so I added some and trust and counting. So I'm gonna have to get back on that as well. And it is so that way you guys will know who have file links. I will start putting them. I will.
What the hell is going on?
You gotta mute yourself, Tantrum. Oh, he's driving. Oh, okay. I will. I forgot. Oh, I will put the numbers. So all the guys, if you can, put your numbers as well on my on the side for me, on the side chat, and I will add them on my page, so that way people will have access to you guys' file links as well. I will not put the pin, and the reason why I'm quite sure all of y'all know why I won't put the pin, but I will put the number. And I'm not going to put the pin because I know majority of you guys don't use the same pin. Unless you use the same pin, then I will put the pin.
Yeah. And Sam just asked me a question. Are you going to drop a new Plex video for setting it up from start to finish? Absolutely, Sam. I got to do that now. My Plex, ever since the update, my Plex is hit. It used to start and buffer. And now it don't even come. It comes up, but it will not play the movies at all. So I'm going to factory reset my NVIDIA Shield and get it going from there. Yep. So hey, I will be doing that. So,
yeah, wasn't there a way for people to go back from
yeah, there is a way. Yeah, there is a way. I seen SuperTech Mod actually did it.
Yeah, somebody did it. Yeah, that's what I was saying.
And he was successful with doing it. You can do it, you know. Yep. So it is a way out there. Someone, that's all you got to do is YouTube search. You should see Super User Tech. Yep, he did. I actually asked him to do it, and he did it. So it is a way. It's a lot of steps. You have to pay special attention because you will brick that bad boy. You have to pay it. I would say if you're going to do it, watch the video once, watch it twice. You might want to watch it one more time before you attempt. And because he tell you if you do it, you got a chance to brick it. So if you do it, you got to follow the instructions that he did.
Okay, what's good, Juggernaut? I didn't even know you was even out there, but what's good, Jug? So in a minute, I'll probably get you up here. I didn't know you was out there, Jug. Tantrum, you just hopped in. What's good with you, sir?
Not a lot. Just on the drive home. Ended up working some overtime tonight.
Okay. Is there anything you got going on, Tantrum, that you want the good people to know out there while you driving? Be careful too, sir.
Well, some already know. It hasn't been put out there as far as social media or anything yet. But this weekend marks the last weekend I will be developing add-ons and builds.
It's the last weekend that you're doing it?
Yep. I got a second letter. And this time I got one just 3 days after I helped another person out in the community. They had issues with their hosts. And so I took them on as far as just hosting the domain. And that was it. Not the repo, just the domain. And I got a letter for that domain within 3 days.
Wow.
What you saying? You quitting?
Yeah, there's a rat in the community.
Oh, damn. Damn, we got a Teresi up in here, huh? You got to watch Power to understand that one. Damn, we got a rat in the community. God, be so careful.
True. They asking for your pen, True. They're trying to say, what's your pen?
Troop got a file link too?
Oh, that's my pen. That's mine, Derek Johnson. That's mine. That's not Troops, that's mine.
Oh,
but I put the pen. The pen is the pen for mine is 2010.
2010.
It's 2010.
I'll be back in just a minute, guys. I'm probably going to drop where I'm getting ready to drive through.
Okay.
Yeah.
They dropping like flies.
Yeah.
Who dropped? Oh, well, yeah. If they acting up like that, Juggernaut. If Tantrum drops off, I don't know if he drops off. If he drop off, then Jug, you're more than welcome to come in. Yeah. Prayers for Aretha Franklin as well.
Oh hell yeah, man! I've been banging her all. Well, let me stop that because somebody gonna take it like I'm really. I've been listening to her music all day, man, because it says not looking too good, man.
It's 2010, y'all. It was 4326, but I changed my pen, so it's 2010.
Hey guys, just to let you know, in my widget there is a public group, a file linked group. So if you want to list your file link for people and where to get your pin or put your pin in there, that's up to you. However you want to do it. If you want to direct them to your YouTube to get your pin, but you can just go ahead and post your file link so people can get a hold of them. And
who's running that file link group over there?
We built it just to have it in there for everybody.
Okay, that was a good idea, Bob. Good idea. I'm a swim from to go over there and go put mine in.
It's new. It was built today.
I've been dying to actually make it over to my widget, and actually I'm a mod for all the file link groups, like the Telegram group. I'm the mod, and the Facebook file link group. I'm the mod. So I've been trying to get over to my widget to actually set up my profile and actually start one. So it's good to see.
Let me know if you jump in there. Let me know. I'll make you the mod, and you guys, it's just a place for people to share. That's all.
Yeah, that's it. Awesome, man.
We need a file link for Microsoft for PCs is what we need.
What do you need?
He needs a better mic.
We need a file link for Windows. That's what we need.
Okay, somebody's got to tell me what that was. I didn't get.
I'm trying to figure out
what's up with your mic?
Oh, hey, on demand, man. You making all that money over there. Now, come on, man.
On demand, like, y'all don't leave me alone.
I thought I was cheap.
Below.
Dude, that's that Dollar Tree mic.
In fact, so people can get to it real quick, I'll feature it right now.
Go ahead. You've been oh, okay, you're a feature. Okay.
Aretha was cute.
Everybody saying translation, please, on demand.
Yeah, I
All right, I'm gonna translate for y'all what Underman said. He said that he's about to go out and go buy him an actual real mic, and he apologized because he's muffled and he sounds like Kenny from South Park right now. That's what he said.
Turn off the mic on my webcam.
That's that Raiders mic, ain't it?
That's what it is.
Wait a minute. On demand, you see, I didn't say anything. I don't mess with y'all team.
Yeah.
But y'all love messing with my boys.
Now Raiders can't get nothing right. Y'all ain't got nothing right since John Madden bust up.
Jug says, I think he just tried to sell me LJ. Huh?
Hey, but I'm gonna tell you this, Superdell, real quick, man. I do want to get down with you in that Madden, though.
Oh, shoot. I got to come out of retirement on that. You know, I hung him up. But I'll blast your behind in Fortnite. And anybody in the chat who wants something, I'm blasting.
All I'm going to say is this. If you're playing against Dale in Fortnite, make him put camera on. You want to see him. When he's saying, you hear these little voices in the background. No, do this, do that, do that. And you hear that clicking sound, and Dale be coughing. And it's kind of funny. Dale sound like he be on one side of the room, and the game be somewhere else. So make him put his camera on.
You guys hear me better now?
Yeah, you better. Also, guys, Pat Grant, I saw it in the DST Facebook group earlier. A couple people talked about it. What do you guys think about Facebook banning Kodi boxes?
Most ridiculous thing I've ever heard.
Yeah.
Stupid.
What is a Kodi box? There's no such thing as a Kodi box.
Exactly. And
the way they can ban Kodi boxes all they want, because I've never seen a Kodi box.
Nope.
I've seen an Android device. I've seen an iOS device.
I got a video ran already ready to publish on that crap.
Yeah.
Dale, you burnt.
I hit a note right now. Tell Mom. Go get Mom. Tell her come to the monitor. She said I can't sing like Smokey Robinson. Shoot.
Yeah, like I'll push one out. Bring your mama here.
Exactly.
Make a milk. Google Play Store app. That's my Wicked. True.
Yeah, that's my Wicked. Yep.
Okay.
My Wicked.
Next will be the groups. Well, that's why we trying to get other sources, Pat. We want to make sure we got backup to the backup. So
what did he say? What did he say?
Who's that?
What Pat say?
No. See, you said next it's gonna be the groups that we trying to ban or kick out. So, but I would have said we don't get back on that. No, she was saying we gonna be a group.
But that's why we got my Wicked.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, I want to let you know, you can sell all the Kodi boxes you want on my Wicked. Go right ahead.
Wicked. We're gonna make it out a rap song.
I'm trying to get somebody to make me a rap song for it.
Hey, Bob, all you gotta do is get Dale to sing it. I mean, he sounds like Smokey Robinson in his prime, so.
Oh no, hell
hey,
no.
We got one Wicked. I don't want to get no copyright strike. But there's a song called Wicked.
Yeah, Dale, I'm gonna help you out on this. We don't need no copyright strikes on my channel.
Right.
I don't need you to blow no notes on my channel. They're gonna be like, you was playing music on your channel, sir.
Okay. So, hey, she said her mom's is here. All right, you ready? Tell her she ready for me to hit this note. We're gonna do it from the top of the head.
Look, hate to relax, y'all. To be trying to sing a note.
You're on the Bono Show. Please come on over here. I'll hold your hand. We'll go walking through the park.
Don't leave with the time job. Don't leave with the time job.
We gonna make an album.
Okay, we gonna make it. pay me, I will do it. Look, they're gonna have us come up with the everybody in the panel come up with a verse for the My Wiggy app.
We gonna get LJ to sing one of these days.
Okay.
Live.
LJ got that voice, y'all. Make you come out with that My Wiggy. I hear wolves howling in the background. Some don't even like Thomas Jones. He put up some lips. I don't know if
there is a group in my Wicked called The Internet's Got Talent. Go ahead and post something in there.
I would definitely do it.
Juggernaut said he said I have my cat ears perking up. And
here's the deal. How many people will send Superdell a super chat if he posts a whole song in the Internet's Got Talent group, which is a public group, on my Wicket?
I will go up in that bad boy and let that bad boy. I would sing one of the hardest songs you can sing. And I would hate to destroy a song, but I would definitely go in there and do it. One of Luther Vandross songs.
Oh no, you ain't.
You say Luther come back up and smack me out. Man, what you doing with my? Go right back, man.
Did you try to sing that? What's wrong with you?
Because he do got a song called Superman. He do. It's a love song too. Oh no.
Let me see. Run my app. I got y'all done threw me off. Dale, I got Dale singing "Get Wiggy with It." He said "Get Wiggy with It." Superdell, my mom said you woke all the dogs in the neighborhood up.
No, I didn't.
We need to put Dale on stage with Bo's brother.
Then we gonna make a lot of money.
Ladies and gentlemen, live from Superdell's basement, it's Superdell.
It's all in a good laugh just to listen to my rap.
Hey,
what's up, little mosquitoes? Wait a minute, you gonna rap on that?
I got a rap video on my in my channel. If you guys haven't seen it, you want a good laugh. It says it's terrible, Mr. On-Demand Rap.
I've watched that one still.
Yeah,
oh jeez.
I'm gonna make a rap song too. Then if it's on demand, I'm gonna make a rap song. I got it.
Come on, make it. Get my Wicket with it.
I'm gonna do me an intro on the rap.
Hey, do a rap then. Hey, no cheating, Bo. Don't be going to get one of the cousins or nothing.
No, I'm gonna do an intro. It's gonna be me. Y'all gonna know it's me. I'm gonna do an intro. I'm gonna try to figure out what it is, and I'm gonna bust it. Y'all gonna be like, "What the?" Okay.
You know, I got to go on demand and watch that rap. I got to hear this.
Llewellyn said we got her husband laughing his butt off. Hey, Llewellyn, you better tell him to pick it up.
Hey, Llewellyn, tell your husband I said
something. I'm gonna go find that video and share it on our screen.
Pretty soon, but Dale's gonna start wiggling it.
Oh hell no, I ain't wiggling. Hey, I just learned how to. Well, I ain't gonna say I learned, but that shoot. What's that the kids be doing? What's that? You know, you heard that song? What's the dude name? No, not the Kiki. That's Drake. I ain't doing that. I ain't jumping out no car, man.
Okay.
Kiki. Yeah, I'll forget that crap. Right. Yeah, you try. They actually, people that fell out their cars try to do that, man.
When somebody got some girl got hit.
Yeah, I seen that. Like, boom.
That right there is crazy. Wick whack. On demand, you supposed to be busting your rap real quick before we go to the next phrase.
Oh yeah, go ahead, hit that rap, man.
Hit it on demand.
One second, needs to take a drink first.
Ready. 1 2 1 2
1 2.
I'll play the video.
No man, no, that ain't the same.
Nah, we need you to bust it.
No man, come on, man, go on.
Hit got the hard on.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, DJ Black Tiger says my Wicket is the place for developers to express themselves. Post what you want in the chat, music, videos, post up without getting a copyright strike. With the Wicket, you can get jiggy with it.
Actually, you sure can. My soul is laughing.
Dale, you better do that dance.
Hey, I'm gonna do the remix to Getting Jiggy with it and call it Getting Wiggy with it.
Yeah, that's all you got to do.
On demand, they trying to get you to bust it on demand. Yeah, no, maybe.
Let's go on demand. 1 2 1 2.
We got on demand on the mic. 1 2 1 2. Break it down for you know who.
On the free TV that I can, you know there ain't nobody else in this town that can do it like I can. I got Mr. On Demand, wrapped and planned, gonna give you everything in town.
Hey, I didn't hear any buzzes and no X's on the top of the screen.
He said I had to take a drink after that. Take a drink.
Yeah, you got
why does it seem like the panel is tipsy? Y'all tipsy?
I haven't even started drinking yet.
I just took my first drink.
Not yet. I just got home.
Yeah, I got to go and grab my tablet.
Yeah, go get that drink.
That drink still sitting there.
Come on, Superdell, finish the bottle.
Yeah, man, that's only that half a shot.
I can't have it.
You still got alcohol left there?
Yeah, he got a half a shot in that damn big.
Yeah, he couldn't finish it that night.
Yeah, man. You know it's right here. It's gonna be here for a long time.
Open it up.
Show it again.
That's the bottle he bought in 2009.
There you go.
See all that liquor in there? See all that liquor in there, True?
Take that thing, man.
There's a shot in there. Take it.
I'm gonna take this pouch, right?
That ain't even a sip, damn.
I'm gonna take this pouch. This pouch is for my power line adapters.
There you go. You gotta finish that bottle right now.
I know it.
Throws it over his shoulder.
You on Wi-Fi? All right, now here you go.
Crown Wi-Fi.
Right. You need some of this Crown Wi-Fi. Throw it over.
Everybody in the chat, tell them finish that bottle.
Finish that bottle.
Finish that bottle.
Y'all gonna be mad tonight.
Hashtag finish the bottle.
Y'all gonna be upset tonight. You see where it's going.
That ain't nothing.
Damn, you don't finish that, you're gonna make me.
You see what Miss Beyonce said?
What she said? Oh Lord, Dale, please leave that drink alone.
That's only for the next day. I got to get up and go to work.
Yeah, I said, forget y'all. I gotta go to work tomorrow too. I just thought about it. Take your butt to work, Mr. Jernigan.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, y'all. I gotta choose. Hold on. I got a PayPal. I don't know who it's from. I'm gonna find out right now.
Oh, snap.
Oh, I got a pay. She not in the chat. I don't see her. She probably is in there though. I got $10 PayPal from I love my two nephews. I appreciate you.
Oh, that's my girl right there.
Yeah. So me and Dale fighting over the same woman. So I appreciate you, Miss I love my two nephews. I appreciate.
I knew her first, bro.
No, are you sure? Are you sure, Dale? You gonna have me ask her, did you know Dale first or did you know me first? Let me see. What time I got? I got 8:39. I'm gonna be in it in a little bit because we can't stay up too late. I want to hear what Mr. Man got going on for the DST. So he got me curious. He got me George right now, y'all. But is there any other questions? Because y'all know we can go to the left real quick.
Real quick.
Is there any other questions before we start talking about sports? Any of that other stuff? Is there any questions out there in the chat?
Yeah.
That you guys want to know? I got a panel full of knowledge. So don't let them off the hook. So let me know if you guys want to know anything or any questions. If not, I'm going to end the show. I think somebody better think of a question or I'm going to end it.
Truber, can you sing?
Loomis asked that.
Yeah, Loomis.
Oh yeah.
What'd you say?
Oh yeah, I can see.
Yeah, right.
Hit it, Troop. Let them know you.
Shit. Come on, Troop.
Go ahead, Troop. Let me hear you sing. And don't be putting nobody else, your neighbor, on the phone. I know Troop will run next door. Hey man, hit this right quick, man. Go on, sing, come
on. Wait a minute. Why y'all doing that? Miss Luella just gave me a Cash App. I want to appreciate Miss Luella for the Cash App donation. I appreciate you. So I appreciate Miss Luella. Miss Luella, and I love my two nephews. They always show me love. I appreciate both of them.
Oh yeah.
Matt Grant just asked you a question. How many APKs can you put on my Fire TV box?
On your Fire TV box?
Which model? Which one?
Yeah, and then here's the thing you guys got to look at. Here's one thing with the Fire TV box. Even with the chip that you guys put in there, it's only a certain percentage that goes to the SD card. So any of you guys that have done a box, I don't know if any of you guys noticed that.
Which one? The newest one or the older box?
Second generation.
Oh, shoot. What's that? 8 gigs?
Yeah, it's about 8.
Yeah, I think it's 8 gigs. So after you could put quite a few apps on there, but
probably 30, 40.
Yeah, you're probably not going to use them all. Just put your mains on there. The hot ones on there, and you should be good.
It also depends if you got Kodi on there. If you got some big bills on there,
yeah,
Yep.
So that's gonna make that would make it sluggish, and I think it's only 1 gig RAM.
Yeah.
Yep. So that's why you got to be careful with it because it's only 1 gig RAM. Just add your main ones. Add a light Kodi build on it if you want, or you could just go with all APKs and you should be good. You can get probably about 40 to 50 apps on there, but
yeah, she said no Kodi there. So
yeah,
no Kodi.
Yeah, you can get about 40, 50 apps on there. Honestly,
yeah.
But I mean, are you really going to use 40 or 50 APKs, right?
What
I would do personally is I would figure out which categories and what APKs am I really going to use, and then pick your top 3 within those categories. So you're going to want your TV and movies, your live TVs, your system cleaners, your maybe app stores like FILELINK, Aptoid, stuff like that. And just kind of pick your top 2 or 3 from each category and then use those ones, right? But when we have the availability of FILELINK stores and everything else, if you want to switch out an app, it's really easy. So you don't need to go ahead and install all 40, 50 APKs. You have the freedom to kind of make the box yours every day of the week if you wanted to.
Right. She says she used 10, which is good.
That's good. She'd be okay. Yeah.
And then you got Sam Green says, what form of payment does Real to Grid take? I know, of course, credit card, debit card.
I don't know if they take PayPal anymore.
Yeah, I don't know if they take PayPal. I think
back in the day,
I think you can do the PayPal on their resellers. I think still.
On the resellers, you said.
Yeah. Or what you do, Sam? Just go get you a prepayment card.
Yeah, one of those vanilla PayPal cards.
You have to watch which ones you get. I've heard of people grabbing those, and depending on where their site is, what country, sometimes they're having trouble paying.
Yeah, and that is true. I know the green dot ones work. I know someone that used the green dot ones from like CVS or Rite Aid or something like that. But if you use your credit card, you might get declined first because their payment center is in France, and when you use your credit card, and the reason you're gonna get flag is because they thinking somebody using your credit card really to shop out of the country. But if you want, just call your institution, your bank institution. If you use your credit card, tell them you about to make a purchase out of the country. That way, it won't get flagged.
You're right. They can mark it on your account.
Yeah, and that's what I had to do because I got flagged. And right when I did it, like within like 20 seconds later, my phone was ringing, and it was my bank institution telling me, did you just try to purchase? And that's when I found out it was in France. And I said, yeah, I just tried to make a purchase. And they were just making sure. But I used my other card. I went right behind it and used my other card. But my institution called me right away.
Make sure if you're a box seller too, you get that affiliate program.
Okay, he just came in just now. So I want to give a shout out to Ken, also hitting my cash app with a $10 donation. Good looking out, Ken. I was about to say, because I was gonna say I haven't seen Ken on. Ken, I love my two nephews. It's certain ones, guys, that be in the chat, and I do want to say you guys don't always have to say something. It's good that you guys come in to just listen and take notes and whatnot. So I do appreciate Ken. Ken is another one that's always showing love to the channel. I appreciate you, Ken, as well.
Shout out to Ken. What's up, hippie girl? I got your email too, hippie girl. Yep, I got it. I'm gonna respond to it.
Pork chops, mashed potatoes. Oh, that's what you cooking? True. That's what you cooking.
Where's ours?
Hell yeah.
Pork chops, mashed potatoes.
I should go in there and show y'all my dinner. I said I gotta go live. I can't even eat my food right now. I got me some chicken Alfredo. Oh man, I'm gonna have some fun when I get off this show. Let me see. All right, then. Okay. I want to make sure I'm not missing nobody. Cool. I have one of those vanilla Visa gift cards. I will try that. And again, guys, Real to Bread is the way to go, especially if you're trying to get your links. For the time frame that you have it, for the amount that they want, it's man, you have to get up. They'll be the first one to tell you we was beating him up left and right about getting it. And he was like, nope. And then when he got it, he realized why we was beating him up about getting it.
Thanks, yeah.
No worries. But hope you okay. He's talking to. Okay,
it's almost worth throwing Real to Bread on if you're a box seller, for selling it with a box too. If you got a customer that is specifically wanting movies and TV.
Oh damn! Me and Miss Beyonce, maybe you can tell her differently than how I told her. But she's trying to get the Nova Launcher, well, she's trying to get it to stick on the A box.
Yeah, I haven't tried it. I heard you can do it in some steps. I haven't tried it yet. I know Real is she's the person behind the scenes that love tweaking boxes.
Yeah, because she was doing it. We were doing that a little bit last night. Actually, we was doing that last night with a different box though.
What I'm gonna do, because I have a couple boxes right here that's running the same thing. I try to tweak it. Let me play around with it. That's all I need. Look, that's all I need is the time. If I can leave work early, come home, and just start messing with these devices, yeah, I can do a lot. But it's just all about me getting the timing, to mess with it. So we'll get you going, Miss Beyonce.
Yeah, that we will do. Also, even though I didn't tell him, even though he should know, I want to give a shout out to SurgeFlix as well. SurgeFlix is also just hit my cash app. Appreciate the love, SurgeFlix. I appreciate that. SurgeFlix or True, can you put the little guys information out there for me?
Yeah. And Bo, can I say something before? Because I know I'm a switch devices. I'm gonna shut this one down and then go up and get on the tablet upstairs.
Okay, yeah, because we got 11 minutes, so go ahead then.
Yep. For anyone, what you can do, really, if you're a YouTuber and you're into, streaming apps and everything, there are a lot of companies out here such as GearBest, Banggood, different businesses that will send you a lot of stuff for free. A lot. They trying to give me so much stuff. It's crazy. So one way you can get free devices, if you do YouTube, and they see you, you know, doing videos, you doing it maybe what 3-4 videos, probably minimum a week. They will get in touch with you and say, hey, can you review this box? Or can you review this mic? Can you review this camera? Take advantage of this free stuff. And what you can do, even if it's crappy, you can sell it. You can take it to the Salvation Army store, Goodwill, and get a tax write-off on it. You know, even though you don't need it, you got it for free anyway. Yep. So you can do that. So a lot of these devices that you see, people like, well, I found out, Steve, they sending everybody this box. I done seen what about 5 YouTubers just today just do the review on this box.
How review? All the YouTubers I've seen that did the review on that trashed it.
Huh?
Videos I've seen, because I've seen Lon TV do it, and he was like, I suggest you not buy this box.
Yeah,
and I'm like,
his biggest gripe was Netflix though. But that's true.
I
think me, I don't need Netflix. I don't look at it. So I don't know. A lot of people gripes different. I haven't even put any apps on it. I just plugged it up, but you can get that stuff for free if you stay committed and doing like tech videos. They will send you a lot of stuff free. Like they sent Steve that big old Bluetooth speaker. So this is something he can keep or he can give away, you know. So that's just another way you can get some free items, y'all. I don't get everything because a lot of that stuff be some bull crap, but it be some things that I get that's worth it.
You are breaking up. Who?
No,
I think he's talking about DVD.
Yeah.
Because he broke up for a second. Yeah. I got 8 minutes. Within that 8 minutes, I'm going to go down the panel and find out to make sure the guys do or don't want to say anything to you guys before we leave. So I will start with Dale first because he said he has to switch. So Dale, is there anything that you want to say to the people out there in the chat before I let them go?
Yeah, I just want to say thank y'all for showing us so much love, y'all. Even though we have differences sometimes, you still come on here week after week and show love. And that's what it's all about. You guys, the end users, the people who are learning, saving money. That's what we like to hear. And, you know, continue to support us. Everybody on the panel, some YouTubers out there in the chat, just continue to support. And we're going to keep moving forward. All right. So salute to everyone.
Dale, before I let you go, another question for you. I might get an answer as well, but Pat says, but don't you have to have a ton of subs?
No, absolutely not.
Yeah, and the reason why I say that as well is because I got one. I just told Dale I'm going to get with him to make sure I'm doing the right stuff or the right way as far as replying back to them.
Yeah.
As far as to make sure that because somebody got at me as well.
Yeah.
To see if I want to review some stuff.
Yep. So like when you start your YouTube, you just put your email. Don't put your personal emails. Start another email, Gmail, Yahoo. That way you don't, because I'm telling you, once they see you and you start staying committed, you're going to see a whole lot of organizations. They're going to want you to review a mouse. They're going to want you to review some cups. They're going to flood it. And then you just pick and choose what you want. And it's actually good, though, honestly, because you get a lot of devices, Bluetooth speakers, all of that. So you don't need a lot. Just stay committed and you'll be okay.
Yeah, that you will. DVD is next to you, Dale.
Right. I'll jump right back on later in about a minute.
Okay. DVD is next to you, Dale. So DVD, anything you want to say to the good people before you leave?
Just I'm gonna be doing a lot of gaming. I got my kids that's gonna be coming on gaming on my channel. I'm gonna be doing reviews of add-ons and different boxes and stuff like that. And you guys heard it here. I will be taking over the Wednesday movie critics. So every Wednesday we'll be doing the movie critics. Just taking it over for Dale until he comes back. That's really it.
Tantrum, you is next to DVD. Is there anything you want to say to the good people before I let them go?
With this being my last week developing, just want to say thank you to everybody that used my add-ons, my builds, supported me as far as my YouTube channel, Twitter, everything else. It's been a fun ride. It's hard to believe it's only been, as of this week, 1 year since I got involved.
So you shutting everything down, Tantrum?
Yeah. Everything except my YouTube and website.
So you still get some YouTube videos once in a while?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. And it's just a step I need to take.
Right. Totally understood.
Yeah, there's somebody watching me, whether it's part of the community or somebody that's stuck into the community, that's part of that group to begin with. Don't know what, but they're definitely watching me hard.
Right.
And the last letter, they're even demanding access to anything that I have administrative rights to, including my hosting, which has a lot of stuff on it, has absolutely nothing to do with streaming.
Wow.
So I'm just going to go ahead and bow out while at this point.
Yeah, right.
I'm still going to be doing what I can as far as helping people as I can.
Right.
But that's going to be about as far as I can take it for now.
Okay. Blamo, is there anything you want to say to the people before we let them go?
Got my contract for the server renewed for the next 3 years.
That's what's up.
Might be looking for a better server. For a little bit cheaper, would be better. And thanks for everyone that supported me and mod. And I'll continue what I'm doing.
That's what's up. Next level tech. Is there anything you want to say to the good people before I let them go?
Just, a huge thank you to everyone that comes out every time one of us does a live stream or a video and, watches our videos, subscribes, comments, and interacts with us. Just encouraging everybody when you have a panel like this to ask the questions because, I say it, not every one of us, or there's nobody that knows everything. So when we have so many of us together, even if we don't know an answer to a question, we'll probably know somebody that does. So it's great to have an opportunity to have a panel like this and have the opportunity to talk to us and, communicate with the community like this. So I appreciate being on a panel like this. And even when I'm not on the panel, I appreciate being in the chat and being able to communicate with the rest of you guys. So just a huge thank you and appreciation to everybody.
Oh, you more than welcome. Who next to you? You on demand. Is there anything you want to say to the good people before I let them go?
Thank you all for coming by and watching the show, and you guys all hit that thumbs up. Sorry to see Tantrum go, and I hope he does well in whatever he decides to do going forward.
LJ.
So wait. So does this mean that he's taking his add-ons down, or is somebody taking over his add-ons? Because I use like Chocolate, the Chocolate, the CBS add-on.
Yep.
CSB, Blamo still runs. Anything that Blamo and me did together, he's still going to be doing.
Yeah.
So it's only going to be impacting stuff that's part of my repo or wizard. For example, my Dune build, that's in the 69 disc wizard. That's not in my wizard. So that one's still going to be up. It's just going to be impacting the stuff on mine.
But the important question is, what about the knob?
Well, the knob's in Blamo's repo as well. So
that can't go anywhere. On demand needs that. That can't go anywhere. On demand needs that. On demand wakes up and goes to sleep with it every day. That's why he said that. Hey, that's why he said, "Stick with me, you get it for free." He's meaning stick with him.
That's the best start of his day.
Arrakis, the spice room, has even more than the knob does.
Oh yeah.
LJ, is there anything you want to say to the good people with the hammer? Is there anything you want to say to the good people before we let them go?
Hey, as always, it's been great. I want to say thanks to everyone out there in the chat. I want to give a big thanks to everyone that's here on the panel. It's not that often that we get this much talent in one place. And from me to you, Mr. Tantrum, I want to say thank you, man, for everything that you've done for the community. And you will be missed, but you will not be forgotten.
Okay.
Right on.
Next to you, Mr. Bob. Mr. Bob, I'm good fellas. Is there anything you want to say to the good people before we let them go?
I just want them to say thank you for everybody that has subscribed to my widget. Please share it. Have your friends talk about it. Tell your friends about it. People, join that file link group. People that have file links, list your file link group, and it'll be a nice place to share everything. I have some great updates coming. They'll be dropping on my widget. Some little add-ons to my widget that I can't say right now, but you guys will really enjoy it. Post what you want, enjoy what you want. We don't watch what you do.
Okay.
And enjoy it. And thank you to the DST team for allowing me to be on.
Okay, you much welcome. And Troop, I thought I forgot you, huh? Troop, is there anything you want to say to the good people before I let them go?
Oh, thank y'all for coming. Like, share, and subscribe. 69 Death Squad ain't going nowhere. It's going to continue with or without mod. You know,
hey,
we hate to see him go, but hey, you got to do what you got to do for his family, you know?
Right. And for me, I want to say, first and foremost, I want to say thanks everybody that came to the show tonight. I appreciate you guys for coming in and listening. I want to appreciate everybody for all the donations they gave me. Much love. Appreciate it for that. To the panel, as I always say, thank you guys for blessing my panel and also spitting out some of the knowledge that you guys have. I appreciate that. With the top and the bottom of my heart, you guys do it, and you guys do it well. Tantrum, I got to tap my hat to you, Mr. Mod. I got to. Again, guys, even though he have to do what he have to do, still go over there and support his YouTube channel. So he's also on Twitter. You guys can follow him as well as on there. You have your squad, which is this 69 squad, which is going to also let us know that you here. You ain't going nowhere. I'm with LJ. You're going to be missed, but trust, you will not be forgotten. Also, before I toot my horn, I do want to say y'all be safe out there. Much love. Y'all know when y'all come to your boy's channel, I'm going to always end it with, come on now, y'all. Even though y'all can't say it in harmony with me, I'll either, if the panel don't give you something, I'm going to give you something. Somebody in that chat going to give you something. It's going to be at the end of the day, when y'all get it, y'all going to say, I need that.